The history of Earth spans over approximately 4.6 billion years, and it can be divided into several major geological and biological eras. Here's a brief overview of Earth's history. Hadean Eon, 4.64 billion years ago. The Hadean Eon, named after the fiery Greek underworld, was a tumultuous period characterized by intense heat and frequent impacts. During the Hadean, Earth formed as planetesimals collided and coalesced to create a growing proto-Earth. Intense heat from these collisions kept the planet's surface in a molten state, preventing the formation of a solid crust. Volcanic activity was rampant, with the continuous outgassing of gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and methane. As the Hadean progressed, the rate of impacts gradually decreased, allowing the surface to cool and solidify. Around 4.0 billion years ago, the first solid rocks began to form, marking the end of the Hadean and the beginning of the next eon. 2. Archean Eon, 4.02.5 billion years ago. The Archean Eon witnessed the transformation of a hot, molten world into one with solid ground and liquid water. Oceans formed as water vapor in the atmosphere condensed, leading to the accumulation of vast bodies of water. These oceans provided a suitable environment for the origin of life, although direct evidence from this era is scarce. Early life, likely consisting of single-celled organisms, emerged during the Archean. Stromatolites, layered structures formed by microbial communities, provide some of the oldest evidence of life on Earth. The atmosphere was primarily composed of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor, lacking significant oxygen. 3. Proterozoic Eon, 2.541 billion years ago. The Proterozoic Eon was marked by significant geological, atmospheric, and biological changes. Photosynthetic cyanobacteria gradually increased the level of oxygen in the atmosphere through their metabolic activities. This event, known as the Great Oxygenation Event, laid the foundation for more complex life forms to evolve. The rise in oxygen also led to the formation of an ozone layer, providing protection against harmful ultraviolet radiation. The late Proterozoic witnessed the emergence of more advanced single-celled organisms, including eukaryotes. Complex multicellular life forms, such as soft-bodied animals and simple algae, appeared in the fossil record. The Proterozoic also experienced periods of glaciation, potentially leading to a snowball Earth scenario where the planet was almost entirely covered in ice. 4. Phanerozoic Eon, 541 million years ago present. The Phanerozoic Eon is divided into three major eras, each characterized by distinct geological and biological developments. Paleozoic Era, 541–252 million years ago. The Cambrian explosion marked the rapid diversification of life, resulting in the emergence of various complex organisms. Early marine animals like trilobites and brachiopods appeared, along with the first chordates. Fish evolved jaws, arthropods expanded their dominance, and land plants began to colonize terrestrial environments. Amphibians, and later reptiles, transitioned from water to land. The Permian-Triassic extinction event wiped out around 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial species, paving the way for the Mesozoic era. Mesozoic Era, 250–66 million years ago, often called the Age of Reptiles, the Mesozoic saw the rise of dinosaurs. The era is divided into the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods. Dinosaurs evolved into a wide array of forms, including carnivorous theropods and giant sauropods. Mammals existed but remained small and often nocturnal, avoiding competition with the dominant reptiles. The era concluded with the KPG extinction event, caused by a massive asteroid impact, leading to the extinction of non-avian dinosaurs. Cenozoic Era, 66 million years ago present. The Cenozoic is the age of mammals. After the KPG extinction, mammals underwent rapid diversification and expansion into various ecological niches. Primates, including early humans, appeared during the Paleogene. The Neogene saw the rise of grasslands and the evolution of large mammals like proboscideans, elephants, and hominins. The Quaternary period, characterized by glaciations and interglacial periods, includes the emergence and dominance of Homo sapiens, our own species. Throughout Earth's history, geological forces, climate fluctuations, and the evolution of life have interacted in complex ways, shaping the planet's surface, atmosphere, and ecosystems. The study of Earth's history provides insights into the origins of life, the development of diverse species, and the profound impact of both gradual processes and catastrophic events on the planet's evolution.